What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahel and I have a new video for you guys. So in today's video I wanted to give you a little apartment tour update. I'm definitely not done with renovating and furnishing my apartment, but I did have gotten some furniture and did some small things here and there, which I'm so excited about, and I just wanted to give a little update of my apartment and share the links, and I thought it would make sense to just show everything and link it in a YouTube video. By the way, I'm drinking an espresso macchiato, a cortado, because it is milk, not foam. So an espresso macchiato is literally just an espresso with foam, and then the cortado is espresso with a little bit of milk. That's what I got. I'm a coffee fanatic. I blame this on my culture, Eritrean culture. Everybody's obsessed with coffee. It's a whole thing. So yeah, I love coffee. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that now. I know it's probably like such an annoying thing for viewers to hear, but it's literally very important that you do. So if you are here because you love my content and you love moi, make sure you subscribe and just show me that you actually care, because I care about you guys and I really want to make sure that we create this little community here where we share just life. Okay, without further ado, let's hop into this tour. I don't even know how I'm getting out of this knock here right now because this table that I'm going to show you is so heavy, I can't even move it. Ooh, ciao. It's the ghetto. It is the ghetto. So the first room that I will show you is my living room. I now feel like this is a actual living room slash a home because of the dining table area. Let me just show you. Okay. I'm so obsessed. First of all, let's not forget about these tall ceilings. Like, I love how tall my ceilings are. I have my couch here and a table now there, which just got in yesterday, and oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. Here on the left side, I'm still like figuring out what to do with my shoes and how to put them here. I have a basket from Amazon, which I think is really cute. I actually bought this initially for my clothing, but I transformed it to the basket that holds all like things wellness, I guess, like massagers. I have like this, I just bought this like weight massager. I'm working on my skin to get smoother, like less cellulite, and just getting overall like a healthier skin. So I'm using these, I'm using so many other things, but as I said, that's like a topic for a whole different video, so I'm not getting into that. Okay, look, that's me. Hey, you come over here where I have my big mirror from IKEA. This actually was a gift from my friend Tasha. Thank you so much, girl, if you watch. She actually just bought a house, and when I tell you, Tasha is literally my interior design inspo. Tasha, I'm going to link her Instagram somewhere here so you can follow her. Her aesthetic is chef's face. I'm gonna say chef's face at this point. I'm not gonna say chef's kiss anymore, period. That's it. No kiss, face. Anyways, so I have a little plant here. I think I got it from IKEA. And the planter I got from this nursery here in LA. But yeah, I have to figure out which nursery it was. Let's move on to this pretty, beautiful, gorgeous dining table setup. I have these gorgeous chairs, and I got these chairs from Jocelyn, Maine. I'm going to link everything that I got in the description box, obviously. Whatever I can find, I will link. This table is from CB2, and I looked at this table for months because it is a really pricey table, but I couldn't be more happier that I bought this table. It's from CB2, as I said. It's so heavy, like it's actual concrete. I am so obsessed. I love it so much. Like, you really have to do nothing much but get this table and put some flowers on here. Now your apartment looks like the 5-star hotel that it is. You know what I'm saying? I love it. I'm so obsessed. I'm so happy I got it. I also have a basket here that I got from IKEA. If you want me to take it out, I can, but it's also fighting against the concrete table. Ooh, and I don't want to mess my table up. And I have some cute pillows that you can put on the floor to kind of like sit on. And I got a few more throwovers in here just in case when I, you know, hang out in the living room and need some extra covers, because I mean, I don't know you guys, but I am always cold. Here in this little entertainment nook, I have my record player and my plant, my snake plant, which is called Mariam, like my friend who lives in Hawaii. And this planter also is a concrete planter from this nursery that I have the other planter from. I have a big candle here from Urban Glow, a black-owned business that has amazing candles. It smells so good. Honestly, I don't even have to light it up and it smells like the candle right in this living room. I have a few coffee table books here. This is one which is called Young, Gifted in Black. And I love the fact that there's books out here right now to showcase black art, black beauty, black excellence. Like, I'm so proud that and happy to just be able to showcase black excellence in my own living room. And then I have another one from Tyler Mitchell, which is an incredible photographer and artist. Black people having fun, you know? This is a little heavy. This is a heavy bee, but it's worth it. Hold on. It's Riri's book. I'm a stan, like I'm a Rihanna stan, so wow, like look at her. Oh, I cannot, I just can't. Coffee table right here, but I honestly think that I will change this coffee table also because it's just too big for this space. I have these beautiful coasters from West Elm. Couch here, which is the couch from Castlery. I also was thinking of maybe just changing the cushions and, you know, creating this new fabric for them as a, you know, pillowcase. Oh, by the way, I didn't talk about my painting actually. It's the perfect size and the perfect shape for this little corner. And it is from Imani Jo. I will link her Instagram in the description box. She's amazing. She's a black woman and does art. We love black excellence. So I'm going to link her, and if you want to get your art, like custom made art, she does an amazing job, as you can see. So here we are in my kitchen. Honestly, I haven't done a lot here. I honestly just kept the kitchen really simple and as it is. I just got this little, is it called butcher table? The old tenon. She left this here for me and wanted me to have it, which I think is so nice. It fits really nicely into this little space between the stove, oven, and the fridge. And here is my favorite tool. I use the air fryer literally every day. I love it so much. If you wanted to get an air fryer and you needed another person to tell you like, girl, get that air fryer, girl, get that air fryer. It is literally insane. I cannot. You really need it. I'm going to link the one that I have. It's a Ninja air fryer. It is relatively like reasonably priced for what you get. Honestly, don't play yourself. Don't. You know what I'm saying? So get that air fryer. I think if you ask me which, you know, area or which closet are you the most excited about to use, it's this one. It's definitely this one. It's the closet where I find my cleaning appliances. I don't know, but I'm so proud that I put everything on the wall. Like I hooked the Dyson on the wall. I hooked like this rack up there. Like everything is just tucked away, and we like organization here. And so yeah, this is my favorite corner. What I absolutely love about this apartment is that the kitchen comes with a window and the fact that it's always sunny in here. I love the fact that when I do my breakfast, when I get my coffee in the morning, I get really like welcomed and like greeted by the sun every morning. It just does something to me. Like what? She's just kissing my face. Like, stop. We got company today. Stop it. You saw earlier in the video that I used the Nespresso Ventura and the milk frother. I got this in a PR or / campaign package from Macy's, and I am very grateful for this coffee machine. However, Not gonna lie, I use my old coffee machine, my coffee maker also. I use my Italian coffee maker for the daily, and if I want an espresso or something, I get an espresso with the Nespresso. Hey. Here I have just my wash and dryer. The only thing that I really did here was getting a basket to put all my dirty laundry in. Laundry pro tip: get a hanging rack for your clothes, because that will just change your life. That will change your game. That will change your absolute life. I was so tired of hanging, you know, all the fine and like delicate laundry everywhere in my house, and like it just looking so unorganized. This rack will change your life, just saying. And here we are in my very cozy bedroom. I love it. Everything is a work in progress right now. So what I have is my queen size bed. Don't you forget about that silk pillowcase. I got the bed frame from IKEA. I just went there to get it really quick because I didn't have a bed. And the mattress is also from IKEA. It's a really bad mattress, like super hard. So I had to buy a topper, and I got this topper at Bed Bath & Beyond. The cover set is from Brooklinen. They're so soft and comfy. Like I love sleeping in Brooklinen. Like, this is my nightstand right now. Actually, it's a side table for your living room. I have some oil, some water, some holy water, some holy stones, and some holy earth from Jerusalem. I have a clothing rack here, which is literally just temporarily because I'm still looking for a dresser. I'm like literally the most indecisive person ever. And then in my actual closet, this door is always playing with me. It's a little unorganized, excuse me, like that top area, sorry. This is a pretty small closet, definitely small closet. It's way smaller than I had in the other apartment. I had a whole walk-in closet there. I'm not used to it. I don't even know what to do with this small closet like this. Like, what am I gonna do? I will have to have like definitely another dresser, a big one, maybe two actually, and then I will be totally fine. And also I need to stop hoarding clothes. I think I will donate a lot of things. Who needs 500 denim? Who? I have 2 legs. Those 2 legs don't need 500 denim. You know what I'm saying? Hi, and welcome to my mess. Honestly, the studio is a whole mess because I still have to get this closet together. Let's keep it real. We're keeping it real right here, you know? You feel anxiety? Because I do. Every time I walk into this room, I'm like, all these things need to go. But yeah, I think I showed you everything that I wanted to show for this updated apartment tour. I'm so excited to be in this apartment now, and that I was able to just, you know, kind of like break my lease and move to this unit. And if you haven't watched my other, like my empty apartment tour, you can just go and I hope it's this side. Oh my god, I don't know which side it is. Somewhere up here there will be my link to the empty apartment tour, and I also have a video where I showed you my other empty apartment tour, the other LA apartment. But yeah, so that apartment I just didn't feel good in. I don't know, it was something about the energy in there was just not sitting like good with me, and I'm so happy that I'm here right now. I love this apartment. I love this space so much better. It gives me really, it gives me homey vibes, and I definitely can see myself like living here longer. Yeah, I think I'm getting there, and I'm so excited to show you everything that I do in here. And yeah, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be notified whenever I post a video, hit that bell. Obviously that's like what everybody knows to do, you know. But yeah, if you like this video, go and like it. Yo, I gotta go. I really have to go. I have to make this closet work. I gotta organize all these things. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.